what do we have here then? We have this year's firework display 2025. So we've got the Warhawks. We have got 4 of them. Well, we had 5, but I set one off for Krista the other day. You know, pre-show fireworks set off. We've got 3 peaks, conical fountains. There's 2 in there because again, I set off one for the other day. We've got the Blizzard. That's a fountain. We've got the La Vida Loca. That's a new one. We haven't had one of them on the channel yet. We've got the Delta Ray. That's another new one. We've got the Paradigm, which we had last year. And we've got the Bonsai, which we had last year. Yes, so how many shots are we letting off then? So we've got the four Warhawks plus the La Vida Loca, so that's 20. How much on the Delta Ray? 25 shots there, so that's 45. 45. How much is on this one? We've got 14 shots there, so that's 55, 59. And we've got the 25 shots there, so that's 79, 60, no, 84. So we've got 84 shots, yeah, going into the air. Paradigm there, that's a big boy one, that is. And then we've got the fountains, and these fireworks here at the top, these are Kimbolton's. There's a shop I've been going to just off the London Road. On each time the bonfire night comes, they're pretty cheap, but these are the proper fireworks that I like to set off. So just like last year, what I need to do now is just go into the garden and lay out 6 different spots. Yeah, so the fireworks set in the correct place and everything gets done properly. Safety first, as always. Right, so that is the display for tomorrow. So the Bonsai, Paradigm, Delta Ray, La Vida Loca, Blizzard, 3 peaks, and we've got 4 Warhawk rockets. That is the display for November the 5th, 2025. My daughter's firework display. Yeah, I hope you enjoy when I set it off. What I'm going to do now is go out in the garden and mark out the positions for each of these fireworks. So tomorrow, in the night, I ain't got to mess about. Yeah, just like last year.